Hi everyone, we, the students of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, presenting a video on tall building designs assigned by Skyfi Labs online course. Let me first define about a building's geometry, materials, load that have already been assigned. We have already considered a 23-story building with varying geometry that has been shown in this picture. This picture clearly defines you about the geometry of the building model. Each story of dead load of 2 kN per meter square is applied. Varying live load like for story 1 to 8, 5 kN per meter square, for 9 to 14 live load of 4.5 kN per meter square, for 15 to 19 story live load of 4 kN per meter square, for 20 to 23 3.5 kN per meter square are applied. Materials used are M40 grade concrete, HOSD 500, mild steel 250 lead bar and slab of 150 mm thickness M40 grade concrete is also added. And cladding load of 0.2 kN per meter square is added and wind load is considered based on the parameters in Bangalore. We have already assigned these property in one building model. Let us now move on to a safe building model analysis. Shall we? Left side of a plan and right side is of 3D elevation. See, we have already defined the material property, and these way the assigned materials. Now click OK. Define section properties, frame section. Section B, we have B 500 into 300, B 500 into 350, B 600 into 400, C 500 into 500, C 500 into 550 and C 600 into 600. Now click OK. Define section property, slab section, A slab of 150 mm thickness of already assigned. Define under load. Various type of loads have already been there in load cases. Click OK. Let us perform analysis. Now in analysis, run analysis or plus F5.
Now let's start our analysis. Click on analysis, run analysis. It will take few seconds to complete the analysis, so let's wait till then. You can also press F5 key for the complete analysis. Once the analysis is completed, we will have displacement values. You can rotate using the rotate icon. Also, at the end of the cursor, by pointing the cursor, you can have a displacement value. So now to see BMD and SFD under force and stress, click on the member force diagram frames. In that, you can view moment diagram by clicking moment 3 and applying it. You can zoom in and zoom out for clear picture of the moment diagram. Also by shear force diagram, by clicking shear to click apply. You can do the same to see every kind of moment diagram and shear force diagram in every kind of plane. So now let's view and revise our preferences. So under concrete frame design, in the design code you have to give India IS 456 2000. Click OK. Now under design, let's check our design under concrete frame design. Click start design check, or you can also press shift plus F6 key. It takes some time to check our total complete building design, so let's wait till then. Once it's completed, it gives the longitudinal reinforcing value. You can see the influencing value by zooming in and zooming out, as well as you can rotate the building using the rotate icon on the toolbar. Then now let's check whether all the members have passed by clicking verify all members. It shows all concrete frames passed the design. It proves that what we have done is correct. So it's now we can construct the building. It's no problem in that. Also it provide a detailed report of the building under model structure object. It gives everything of how is it and